Straight up gunshots, bro. Jesus. Damn. Going under a little underpass. Let you guys hear what's up. What's going on, guys? Back again with another POV. Just driving around making a bunch of noise, you know, pops on max, everything like that. Listen to them turbos, bro. Damn, that's a nice Audi and a nice house. Jesus. Them pops are warm now. They're getting warm. Straight up gunshots, bro. I might make a POV like with the pops off for the people who don't like it, because I'm not against anyone's opinion, you know, like if you guys don't like it, you know, you just don't like it. So I want to be able to please everyone. I know I will never be able to please everyone, but I don't know how you guys don't like that, but hey, I love it. But yeah, I'm never gonna be able to please everyone, but you know, I can try my best to like at least make a video that everyone can enjoy, you know. So I might make a video with the pops completely off. I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna go back to stage, like to stage 0, and tell you, Jesus, bro, this is straight up gunshots. It turns head so much. I don't know if it turns head in a good way or a bad way, but hey, a lot of people love the car, so hopefully it's in a good way. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video. It just came to mind, actually. That's such a sick video. I should make a video going back to stage 0, like removing the tune and then put it back to stage 2 plus to see the difference. Oh, this guy's doing his gardening. I don't want to make no noise. But yeah, I think that would be a sick video to make. Nice little pull. Bro, I love rear-wheel drive cars so much. Downshift. Man, the pops on them downshifts are crazy though. Damn. I'm gonna go on this bridge. This bridge is always so sick. Like, it looks so good in videos. I'm gonna end the video after I go over the bridge though, just because after the bridge it's just a long road. All you guys are gonna be hearing is wind. But yeah, I'm gonna go over the bridge and show you guys. It's a pretty long bridge, so I'll give you guys some pulls on there, but it looks sick, especially at sunset. People drive so slow on the bridge, I swear. I don't know why. Damn. All you guys might be hearing is the wind though. I drive on this bridge almost every single day, but I'm never, like, it never gets old. It just looks so sick. Bro, just look at that. Let me roll my window down. Yo, that little car cutting up. You guys saw that, bro? It's a little Hyundai just cutting up. Nah, the bridge is so sick, I swear. Oh, it's not even a Hyundai, it's a Chevy. My bro's cutting up. Yo, like 2 nights ago, I was here and a sick Huracan. I think it's a Huracan Evo. Flew by me, bro. I was doing a little roll with him. I'll see if I can find the video to show you guys. I did a little pull with him. I didn't. My girlfriend was driving with me. I tried to get her to record it, but she didn't get it in time. But I'll show you guys a little clip. I didn't get the full thing. It's just a little clip of him driving, but I was rolling with him a little bit before, and we did a little pull. Damn. Nah, I definitely want to get a supercar. That shit sounds so good. It pops a little bit too. It's not like pops like this. It's just a little burble at the end. Like, man, it sounds good. It's not even a proper pull, but hey, thank you guys for watching this video again. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for all the support, and I'll catch you on the next one.